Hello, Mark. How are you? Uh, actually, I am making this video for you because right now, obviously, it is the basic boot fitting admin panel. It does not have a lot of functionalities. So I think I thought that I should walk you through in that video. So when you will test that in the dev environment, so you will know that what are the things I just added, and just keep that in mind that this is the basic right now. I didn't obviously add a lot of things, so obviously you will give me the instructions, more instructions, so we will obviously improve that thing. Okay, so first of all, right now in the programmer settings, uh, I have added the setting here, module settings, ski and snowboard and boot service, boot fitting in both. So right now, it is actually the boot fitting option is not applicable. It is actually just right now working. If I will click the boot fitting or both option, it will just show the options of the boot fitting. If I will just click on the boot fitting, it will not turn off the ski and snowboard services options. Right now, it is only for showing the boot fitting. I will obviously modify that thing later, but for now, it is like that. So, for example, if I will click both and click save, so here you can see the schedule and calendar options shows appointments, time slots. Those options are shows. So for example, let me go to manage schedule calendar. So right now there are no appointment is showing. So for let me go to the employees section then, because I have attached services with the employees. Like for example, if also you can see that icon, calendar icon, along with the employees. So for example, I have already obviously added the employees. So let me click on that test employee and let me select services for that. Right now I'm selecting XYZ service, for example, how my service. Oh, okay, and updating it. um, Another employee and attaching service, my service, XYZ service, update. So two employees I have added for boot fitting right now, because uh, only those employees will be shown in the boot fitting appointment, because obviously I have attached the services with that. Okay, so adding a time slot, and here you can see the long field. I will After that video I will decrease the size of that field. Obviously it is not good. Yeah, okay. Time slot one, for example, uh, I have added hours in that drop down already after 1 hour gap. So I am adding the slots right now. Sorry, delete 9 a.m. I'm just wanted to tell you that it is a very basic thing. Obviously, we will improve it. So I am making showing it to you, because so you will obviously know that what I have done so far. Okay, so to, all right. So time slot have been added, and the time slots also added in it. So now we go into appointment section, add appointment. So for example, I will click. And you can see the previous dates have been disabled, so current it and future dates will be only be applicable. So previous date appointments will not be added. So Zen, Roseanne, I'll select that name, select my service, and when I will select the service, the time slots will be filtered according to that data, date and the service. So you can see the time slots are coming which I added. So 8 a.m. and then according to the time slots, the employees will be filtered. So right now, test and EMP2 employees are available. So I just click test. I will click create and appointment will be added. Here I can see the let's see the employee module and click on the icon, and here I can see 8 a.m. There's a appointment added. It's not clickable. The employee calendar is not clickable. But here, if you, I will go there. Let me add another appointment also, so we can test that better. Uh, okay, 23rd. Now some other name, Mark Smith, XYZ. Okay, so yeah, here's the time. Okay, EMP2. Okay, so one more and then we will go. I think it's better. It's good. Okay, it's good. Okay, go to the manage schedule. The manage schedule calendar will show all employees' appointments, and it is per hourly calendar, and it shows day by day. So, for example, if you click next, it will show the other day. Previous, it will show the current date. So, right now, for example, here is 8 a.m. Calendar, and I want to move that time to, for example, 11 a.m. So, I will click on that, right, and draw. Okay, so clicking on the on click, it actually opens the appointment also. But for example, I want to drag, so I will just drag it here 11 a.m. and it's saying that test is the name of employee, and then my service is the service name, which is attached with that employee, and which right now which actually where for which the appointment has been made, and it's saying that was dropped on to 23rd December 11 a.m. So if I click OK, it's saying it will make sure double checking that are you sure about this change. I will click OK. So it says schedule updated successfully, and you see that it is into 11 a.m. For example, if I refresh the page, so you can see it's 11 a.m. So for example, if the schedule is not available, for example, if I did the slots from 8 a.m. So if I will move it to, for example, 7 a.m., it will just see the message, show me the message. I show you want to change. I will click OK, and it will say slot not available. So if I will click, then I will click OK. It reverted back to the previous time which it was. So that is all right now for scheduling appointment, test time slots, and the setting which is obviously partially completed. So this is a video for you. So let me know your feedback on it. Thank you.